You want to smile? You want to smile for the camera? Come on. Smile. Smile. Say hi to all the grandparents. We're going to send this to the grandparents. Can you say hi? Put your hat on. Say, look at how cute I am with my hat on, Nanny's. Nanny and Granddad, Grandma Jan, Auntie Christine. Yeah, that's cute, cutes.